If your dirt bike or ATV is only running when the choke is on, it's likely due to a fuel, air, or spark issue. Check the fuel filter for clogs and replace if necessary. Inspect the fuel line for blockages and clear or replace if needed. If the fuel pump is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Clean or replace a dirty or dusty air filter. Remove any blockages from the air intake. A faulty carburetor may need to be replaced or serviced by a mechanic. Replace or clean a dirty spark plug. If the ignition coil is faulty, it needs to be replaced. Ensure the spark plug wire is securely connected. Don't leave fuel in the carburetor if the engine won't be running for an extended period. Set the petcock to off before storing the vehicle and let the engine run until all fuel is consumed. Drain any remaining fuel from the carburetor by removing the drain screw from the bottom of the float bowl. If your dirt bike or ATV is only running on choke, it's important to identify the underlying cause to prevent further damage to the engine. By following the troubleshooting steps outlined above, you can pinpoint the issue and take the necessary corrective actions. Remember, if you're unsure about any of the procedures, it's always advisable to consult a qualified mechanic. With proper maintenance and timely repairs, you can keep your dirt bike or ATV running smoothly and enjoy many thrilling rides to come.